Hey guys, what's up? It's me, HipStocks here, back to another video, and today we're playing Meep City, and we have a problem. Every time I put pants on my character, mostly every single game, I do not have pants on. And I tried mostly every single one, it doesn't work. So, I probably have to go into my avatar just to give myself pants, and I hope it works. So, yeah. It's really annoying. Really, really annoying. I really want to use my character, but of course, Rogue's like, no, you're not. So, see this? Doesn't let me. So we're gonna search up this one. This one. This one. Oops. I accidentally pressed that one. Does none of the rainbow ones work? That's good enough. Okay. So we're just gonna be using these pants. This is good enough. Enough for now. I'm probably just gonna. Oh yeah, this is my friend receiver here. So let's go. Oh, it says NIP on the end of them, but it's fine. So first off, we're not going to my house for some reason, because I really don't care about my house. We're just going to go. Okay. I got that Coca-Cola bottle, shake. I get that Coca-Cola. Man, that's stuck in my head. Okay, stop singing that. Let's just go to the playground, I guess, then. Why is my W camera messing up? Yeah, let's just go to the playground. Here it is. We're gonna decline that, because we're not going to here. We have to make a video. And I don't know what to do. I jumped in the tree. I guess we can go fishing. Something. Okay. How do you cast? Okay. That was a little bit too far. I'm on. I got you. Alright. Let's see if I can catch this stupid fish. About there. I don't like fishing. Fishing's not fun, it's boring. So, wait, what happens if you touch that? I don't want to touch it because I feel like something's gonna happen. Morph into a teen. Okay. Wait, why am I small? I'm smaller. Look how small I am compared to anybody else. I'm so small. How small can you get from this to that? Let's do this. I'm so small. Yeah, I'm small. Yes, my lifelong dream. I was too tall. Now I'm small. I guess we can go get something to eat from the plaza. Okay. I want pizza. There's no Taco Bell, is there? Do I give up? Or just go for pizza? I guess I'll just go for pizza. I got that Coca-Cola. Stop singing that! I'm too small. I'm just gonna take this. thank you for your. Oh, why can't I just eat? Ooh, there's something up here. I'm poor, so I'm just gonna do this. See? This is why I rather tacos. So much better. It says on the shirt. Okay. Okay, maybe we can go racing. What? Oh. No, I guess not. Okay, I think we should get a new pet. Because, like, Richie's been here, but I think I should get a new pet. I mean, I've been having it for a while. So I don't feel like I don't have enough money for a new pet anyways. I'm poor. No, I'm poor. I don't have enough money. Dang it. Don't I already have a toy? Oh, whatever. Never mind. Okay. I don't have any fish, alright? What? What? I mean, he's good and all, but what? Did you say? I think I need to go bring him home. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. This person. My head's like turned. Oh, by the way, guys, I never got to tell you this, but it's Christmas season, so Merry Christmas to all. Dang it, I don't know where mine is. I just gotta go find it. Can I teleport to it? Yes, I can. I jumped right into the door. So, you want to see why I really did not want to bring on to my house? That's why. It's empty, basically. And also, this is why. I probably should delete that. Let's see if there's anything else that's kind of like, you know. What's right there? I think there's one in here. Oh. That's cool to know. Yep, that's not really anything else. So, my friend just joined. Yeah, what else? Oh, wait, I need to put my pet up. Or I can just go to the computer and do a video session. Let's go. Wait, watch this. Oh, so cute. That's the whole entire reason why I didn't really want to do that. So I'm gonna go to house. I'm right at my SD. Let's wait, can I move? What does it say? Oh, okay. This is really just what I want to do. Yes, because I hate it. I'm sorry, Alex. Don't hate me. I really don't want that much stuff in here. I'm just. How the heck did you get in here? I need. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay, so that was a little bit weird. So, I'm sorry. Sorry, you guys had to see that. I guess I don't think I can put my meat up. What's this meat button do? What does this say? Can I just leave you home? Yeah, send me home. I could have done this whole entire time. Okay. I'm gonna go get you a friend, Richie, okay? He's waiting for the sword for me to leave. Bah. Bah, Felicia! Is that him right there? Nope, that is not him. Ah! Okay. Oh, there he is. I just passed him up. Okay, let's see if we can talk to Meep now. Is it gonna say it? Yep. Let's get this for him. I mean, hopefully he likes this at least. Okay, that's a lot of money actually. $300 for a gaming headset? Jeez. Okay, well, I guess I have nothing else to do, so I'll just, maybe go buy something from this shop over here. Just get a little bit of a toy. I don't want wings. Ooh, a paintbrush. That's too much. Gosh darn it. I'm broke. Big pencil. Why would I want a big pencil? I could get roller skates. What's the difference between, you know? Ah, screw it. Of course, there's no other color, so I would just choose blue. Yeah, that sucks, because I was supposed to do this, and then do this. Purchase. I'm wasting money on this game. I mean, I'm never gonna play it again, so whatever. Okay. Can't even have. Oh, no, I'm gonna exit. No, stop it! Ah! I can't exit. How do I get those skates? I totally forgot. Can't think of it. Nope. That's not what I do. My toys. You got that Coca-Cola bottle shape? You got that Coca-Cola bottle shape? Look at me go! I'm immersed in this! I actually hate rollerblades. Rollerblades or skates, whatever they call it. Well, just go start rolling around. Making my way to the sipping this yak. Oh my. With my. Wait. Down the. Walking this. I don't know the song. But, man, that's hard. That's really hard to remember. Let's keep playing. You got. Well, I guess I can end it off here. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please do like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.